Okay, students, in this slide we will see the shirt in the United States. In United States, many stores, whatever they export the shirts from here, they sold at the price of $26 each shirt, or as well as near about rupees 1200. The business person purchased the same shirt from the garment exporter in Delhi for rupees 200 per shirt. He then spent rupees 300 for the advertisement, and later on he sell that shirt at the price of including tax also at 1200. In this way he purchased the shirt 300 after spending 200 for advertisement or 300 for advertisement. He is selling the shirt at the cost of 1200. In this way he is earning a profit in between whatever the prices he spent on the advertisement and on the purchasing of the shirt. But after that he sell that shirt in by the rupees of 1200. In this way he has earned lot of profit in one shirt. In this way we can say that the middleman or the business person, they earn a lot of profit by purchasing the shirts at very low rate from the garment factories.